We got ourselves a brand new reverse osmosis system. Let's check it out. I'm going to focus mostly on unboxing and demonstration, kind of help with the setup, but then along the way towards the end I'll show you some of the highlights as well. This thing is fantastic. It filters everything, everything out. We have a whole house water filtration system already, and this does things that our house system just doesn't do. Take out water tank, refill with tap water, put it back, plug it in. Okay, that's the quick start. Let's give it a shot. So here we go. This is the first tank of water. It's a 1.3 gallon tank, but you actually only use it down to about the 0.3 mark, so it's about a gallon worth of water, usable water. It's going to tell you to flush the system 3 to 5 times. That's what we did. The very first time it came out really cloudy and foggy. That's just the water going through those cartridges and those filters for the first time, totally normal. After that, second, third time was completely clear. You're going to notice here as the water dips right there, you can see there's a separation. That water on the right side is getting pulled in and pushed out as part of that reverse osmosis system. So when you get down to the bottom here, this is new to me because I've never had one of these systems. Right here, when you stop, you dump all that out. You don't just put fresh water on top. You clean all that out and you start fresh. And that way you get rid of all the contaminants that you've been filtering out. All right, so here comes the moment of reality right here. This water tastes good. It smells like nothing. Well, now it smells like a lemon. But yeah, it's great. It tastes good, it's clear. This thing filters stuff out that my other system does not, and it filters everything out. It's pretty great, and it puts minerals back into the water. Really pretty cool. I also want to show you inside here, these are the filters, and it's not hard to get them out. Look at this. It's just a little bit of a pinch right here and lift, and then there you go. You got a reverse osmosis, an alkaline, and a PPC. I can't remember what that one stands for. Let me get my hand out of the way. Composite filters. That's what's pulling most of the stuff out of the water. Anyway, it's super easy. You just pop those out at like a 45-degree angle, little half turn, pull it out, and put a new filter in. These filters are all rated for 6 months. One of them is rated for 9 months, so it's going to last you quite a while. I also want to show you this. This is one of the coolest things. It's magnetized. I love it. It's so soothing, and it's always where you need it to catch the drips. Really nice little add-on there. And then lastly, let me spin this thing around, get the water tank out of the way. I want to show you the inside of the unit itself. Now, most of us are never going to have to work on this, but it is kind of nice to know what's happening behind the door here. And here you go again. You just pinch at the top, pull back, and I'll just tell you this. That ain't very complex. Like if something does go wrong, I think I could probably figure it out. So I don't think I'll have to, but it's kind of cool that it's not real complex. Well, there you go. All in all, we've been using this now for 1 whole week, and it is delightful. It is fantastic. This was sent to me by the company for a review. This is my honest review. I'm actually going to use this, and I'm probably have to get one for my mom and dad because they've got worse water than us, and this is going to be perfect for them. All right, hope that helps. Take care.